Okay, I've got the smoke tester all hooked up. Remove the intake. I'm gonna hook up that adapter there and then connect the negative, and we'll see where the smoke's coming out. Yeah. You see it? Let's see if I can zoom out. It's coming out of the valve cover. Took off this breather, and I'm gonna pinch the PCV. So we'll see if we get a more visible leak. If not, then the leak's gonna be pretty minor or non-existent. Okay, confirmed second valve cover leak. And so the Nissan adventure continues. I found a loose connector for the coils on the driver's side. Went ahead and plugged that back in, put her back together. Now I've got my scan tool doing a system check. I'm going to clear the codes and then see what comes back. 11.6 volts now. That's pretty low.